In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the iRig with your phone using Amplitude. And these are the things that you're going to need to connect it. Now, this is going to be used to connect to the iPhone so you can connect Amplitude. And then I'm going to show you how to connect this to your amp so you're getting the effects from the Amplitude app into your amp so you can hear yourself to rehearse. Here is another wire that we're going to need. Okay, this is going to be for the phone connection. That's going to come out from here, and this is going to go to your amp. Now, in order to connect your amp, we're going to need another adapter, which is right here. Okay, this is going to connect into here, and this is going to go right to your amp so you can hear yourself. And let's connect the phone. Okay, so we're going to use this unless you already have an iPhone that has the connection. Mine doesn't have it, so I'm using this little adapter here to connect it. Okay, we're going to do that. Now we're going to take the phone. We're going to connect this. Okay, you're going to need the Amplitude app, which I already installed, and we're going to launch that. And there it is. So now you have Amplitude. It's connected via the iRig. Now we're ready for our guitar to be plugged in. So the guitar is going to go, here's my guitar cable. Guitar is going to be connected into the iRig. Okay, so this is going to send the signal to Amplitude, and then it's going to bounce back out from here. And this is the part that goes to your amp. I'm going to plug in the amp, and we're going to listen to what it sounds like with the Amplitude app. Okay, we are now connected to the amp. Amplitude is set up. There is the cord right there for the iRig. Everything is ready to go. And you want to make sure that your amp's on clean before you turn on the effects on the Amplitude. So right now it's on clean. So let's turn it on. We turn it on right here. If you want to change some of this stuff, you can. You can just turn a knob like this. If you want less gain, we can just turn down the gain a little bit. Okay, but I usually like more gain, so let's just turn up the bass. That's how you hook up the iRig to your amp using the cords that I demonstrated for you. And that's it.